Okay, this student asked, I always get confused about the H1 portion of these types of problems. So what this student is saying is that when they have to figure out what the alternative hypothesis should be, it seems confusing. So let's see if we can clear that up. Using this example, it says a sample of 40 female dancers in a local modern dance company had a mean of 127 pounds with a standard deviation of 6 pounds. We wish to test the claim that the mean weight is at most 129 pounds. Express the claim in the null alternative hypothesis in symbolic form for this claim, then answer the questions below. So first of all, the parameter, since this is a claim about a mean, we would always make the claim about the population proportion mu. And then your claim would be mu is greater than, no, at most 129, so that's less than or equal to 129. And you don't have to enter the mu symbol, even though technically we know it's there because you selected it already in the part right before it, but I'm going to write it there anyway so that we can see the whole thing. Now the null hypothesis is always using the equal sign, and if there is equality in the claim, it falls under the null hypothesis, and that means that your alternative has to be the complement of the claim. So here the mean greater than 129 is the alternative hypothesis. So let me give you a different scenario. If it had said at strictly greater than 129 pounds. Okay, so if it had said that, then the claim would be the greater than symbol. Okay, that would be your claim. Your null, which always uses the equal sign, does not contain the claim because there's no condition of equality there. And your alternative hypothesis is the original claim. Claim falls here. Okay, so in that case, it would be the same as the claim instead of the complement of the claim. Okay, we can do another one here. If it said less than, if it says less than, so your claim would be strictly less, your null would be equals, and it would not contain the claim because there's no condition of equality in the claim. Your alternative would be the strict inequality. Okay, one more. If it said at, what did this one say? This one said at most, let's say that it said at least. So then your claim would be greater than or equal to. Your null would be equal. Your alternative would be the complement of the claim, and that would be a left-tailed test. Okay, I guess I said one more, but I'll do one more. What if it said the claim that is not equal to? Then your claim would be mu is not equal to 129. Your alternative would be that it is, and since there's no equality in the claim, it falls under your alternative hypothesis. So this would be a two-tailed test. And if the claim was that it is equal to, then the equality that's in your claim would mean that it's going to fall under the null hypothesis. Okay, so your claim falls under the null hypothesis, then your alternative would be the complement of the claim. Hope that helps.